Hi, I'm here for another gentle Qigong and Feldenkrais exercise that will make you feel wonderful. When you're ready, find a comfortable way to make your way onto your back. However you get there is fine. And we're gonna have the legs bent, so the knees are toward the ceiling and the feet are flat on the floor. So feel yourself in this position. And then bring your right knee to your hands. And taking your hands over your right knee, begin to go down the calf. See if you can reach the foot. You don't have to. Your head is resting also if you can. And then come back up, and on as you get to the thigh, let the leg fall. And do that again. Down both sides. Can you reach the foot? And back, down. We're going to try the other leg. So take your left leg and do the same thing. Starting with reaching toward the leg as it comes up. And then back down. Again, your head is resting as you do this. Up and down. And now see if the left leg can go a little bit higher and towards you to help you. Wonderful. Just see how far you can get easily, but use those hands, stay connected. You're rubbing the leg, it's coming toward you. Maybe you reach the foot. If you reach the foot, where is your knee? Is it out to the side? Is it in? Come back. Let's go back to our other side. Right side. Now we're going to start to lift it up a little bit towards ourselves. It's okay if you can't go far. If you're still out here, you just go as far as you can go, and that's still wonderful for your body. We are just connecting. We're not trying to do anything or be better at anything right now. So feeling the leg as it lifts. And now feel the leg in such a way both hands are going to come to the outside of the right leg. And just see where you go. And try that again. Both hands outside of the right leg. You might roll a little to your right or to the other side. Try both hands now on the inside of the right leg. Both hands inside of the right leg. See where your leg goes. And one more time, inside of the right leg. Pause for a moment with your legs in standing, feeling the difference between the two. And then we'll switch sides and do the left leg. This time, let's take both hands to the outside of the left leg as it goes up. Feeling that left leg. We're one with the movement of the left leg, the torso, the hands, the head and eyes, everything moves together. Try going to the inside of the left leg. And see how that feels and how far you can go comfortably and easily, and if you're going further. And just notice. Go back to both sides of the leg and see how that is now. Maybe you lift it, maybe you don't. You can try it both ways. And then pause and rest with your legs in standing or long, whatever feels good to you. As you rest, notice your hips and the contact there. Feel the breathing into the pelvic floor. Once more, bring your legs back to a standing position. This time, put both hands on your legs. Rub both legs and see where you connect to as they come up and down. And this is one of our movements in Qigong to begin. So this is an easy way to start any movement. And you can take the hands to the outsides and see what happens. You can take the hands to the insides and see what your range is there. Or you can take one hand to the outside and one to the inside and see where you go. In fact, let's do that. Take one hand to the outside of one leg, the inside of another, and let's rub up in that way and see how you start falling to that side. As you start to fall to that side, next time you're closer to your feet, let yourself roll If you can hold on to your feet, hold on, and if not, let them go. But if you can hold on to your feet and come up. If you can't, you let the feet go and push yourself up to a comfortable position. And notice how you feel in your hips. We just gain flexibility by being kind to ourselves. So I want you to take notice of that the kindness we give ourselves enhances our flexibility and improves our brain. So feel wonderful while you exercise, and join me for more of these fun activities that improve your brain, proprioception, and your whole life. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for joining me.